Welcome to DreamHaven Ideas. Close your eyes and imagine this: the gentle sound of water, the vibrant splash of tropical blooms in pink, purple, yellow, and blue, and the warm feeling of stepping into your own private paradise. No matter the size of your outdoor space, this dream is within reach. Today, we're exploring over 100 small tropical garden ideas that will inspire you to transform your patio, balcony, or compact backyard into a lush, low-maintenance retreat. From vertical gardens to container arrangements, you'll discover how to create serenity and beauty in any space. Let's begin this journey into your personal tropical haven. Small tropical gardens are about maximizing impact with minimal footprint. Think vertically: living walls, hanging planters, and tiered displays. Multiply your planting space without expanding your square footage. Low maintenance doesn't mean low beauty. Drought-tolerant tropical varieties like ornamental grasses, sedum, and hardy hibiscus thrive with minimal care while delivering vibrant color and lush texture. Automated drip irrigation and smart timers take the guesswork out of watering, freeing you to simply enjoy your space. Container gardening offers flexibility and charm. Mix heights, colors, and textures in curated collections of pots. Terracotta brings warmth. Glazed ceramics add polish. Group plants with similar needs for easy care, and let your creativity guide the arrangement. Water features add tranquility without complexity. A small recirculating fountain, a tabletop cascade, or even a simple bird bath introduces soothing sound and visual movement. The gentle murmur masks neighborhood noise and creates a sense of privacy. Lighting extends your tropical escape into the evening. String lights create a canopy of stars. Solar pathway markers guide your steps. Uplighting and foliage adds drama. These touches transform your space after dark, inviting relaxation under the stars. As these ideas unfold, I invite you to envision your own tropical retreat. Do you see a cozy corner with a single statement, plant, and a small fountain? Or a vibrant collection of containers bursting with color? Would you choose the structure of a vertical garden or the flexibility of movable pots? Do you crave the sound of water or the quiet beauty of foliage alone? There's no single right answer, only what brings you peace. Imagine stepping into your transformed space one season from now. The plants have settled, the lighting glows softly, and the air carries the subtle scent of tropical blooms. How does it feel to have created this sanctuary? Who will you share it with? What moments will unfold here? Your small space holds big potential. Every corner is an opportunity for beauty. If these small tropical garden ideas have sparked your imagination, I warmly invite you to subscribe to DreamHaven Ideas. We believe that everyone deserves a beautiful outdoor retreat, no matter the size of their space. Each week, we share thoughtful, achievable inspiration for creating gardens that nurture the soul. Your journey to a lush, low-maintenance paradise starts with a single plant, a single idea. Let us walk this path with you, offering guidance as you create the tranquil escape you've been dreaming of. If this video resonated with you, please take a moment to like it. Your support helps others discover these ideas and join our community of garden dreamers. Now allow these images to inspire your vision of tropical serenity. Let your imagination wander and notice which details speak to your heart.